I'm going to show you how to use a text template in the CapCut app. First, we have to open up the app. And here I already have a project opened. From here, we just go into the top row, click on text here. Then we click on text template. And here we have a bunch of text templates from which we can select. Let's say we want a social media text template. Or a basic one. Let's see. We just click on it and then it's going to add a text box with this effect applied to it. See? That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.